my rhyme and reason.
Yeah, except in the Moors of Light.
That's a fact.
Right? That's a shirt. What they call is like a Azteca in the back. Some of the people in Cuba, they call that an Azteca.
More's a light in the front. I love the sleeves. I appreciate you more. You already know it's long.
You see, like we got our own flag there. You see?
Ooh.
The insignia.
Ooh. It reminds me of the Tiano colors. The big star. Plus the red. This is fire. I appreciate you more.
Absolutely.
You already know what it is. You already know what it is. It's your boy DEMEGOD. This is 6th day, song number 6, Rhyme and Reason. We're gonna break down 100 Moors and go into different aspects of the whole Moorish movement, because this song is when I proclaim my nationality. A lot of people need to understand when they listen to my music, a lot of my music that I've been releasing within the past 5 years is music when I was in the nigger kingdom. This is before I claimed my nationality, although I was involved with the Israelites and the gods, and I had some consciousness. I was still treading a thin line between consciousness and nigger kingdom. I still was in the nigger kingdom, though. I had 1 foot in, 1 foot out. So a lot of the music that's being pushed out right now, since I've been holding a lot of music, just life and different things been going on in the industry that has prevented me to really feel confident and comfortable enough to release my music. You know what I'm saying? So 100 Moors is a testament to my newfound education and teachings and guides through nationality and the Aboriginal peoples of America, me being of Cuban American descent as well. It's important for me to understand and know that. And the brother actually just blew my mind. He bought a book from Cuba, and it's called Cuba, A History, right? And Oscar, Loyola, Vega, and Sergio, Guerra, Vilaboy. This book is a must-have for the Moors. I'm telling you, Moors, this is a small gem. This gem got, he showed me the first page. I ain't even getting to the book yet, but as we all know, the Moors go by the Bay, right? The B-E-Y, the Bay. Now, this is important. I'm gonna have him pronounce it because I don't really, you know what I'm saying? I can't really, but I'm gonna get it though, because I can't wait to learn about my own people. But it says the indigenous peoples of Cuba, the Guanahatebeys. And it says the Beys, B-E-Y-S at the end. Guanahatebeys, right? Taino were generally hunter-gatherers, fishermen, or early farmers. These groups of Indians never attained the cultural complexity and development of other societies in South and Central America, but some developed rudimentary agriculture and pottery. They grew tobacco, corn, yucca, and lived in small hamlets, either inland or on the banks of rivers. Come on. Guana, let's go back to that though. That right there is just lets you know that was a Moors right there. Those are indigenous peoples of America right there. But Guanahatebeys, B-E-Y-S. So that's crazy, man. You know what I mean? I just wanted to bring that out. That was crazy. This brother's a prolific brother. He has taught me a lot, revealed a lot to me. And it's a pleasure to be on his show and as well be able to do my show in collaboration. And he's the best person to interview me about the song 100 Moors, about the theme, the concept, who's it directed to, why'd I do it, and all of those things there. So yeah, bro.
Absolutely, bro. I really appreciate that.